High in the Himalayas, nestled amongst emerald hills, lies a town like no other. This is Darjeeling, a place where nature's beauty and human culture blend seamlessly. Darjeeling, the queen of the hills, beckons with promises of breathtaking views and enchanting experiences. As the sun rises over the hills, it paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, casting a magical glow over the landscape. Its air is cool and crisp, carrying the scent of pine and rhododendrons. The forests are alive with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves, creating a serene symphony that soothes the soul. As you ascend the winding roads, you're greeted by cascading waterfalls and terraced tea gardens. Each turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last, making the journey as delightful as the destination. Darjeeling is a feast for the senses. The bustling street markets are filled with vibrant colors, the aroma of local delicacies, and the sounds of lively chatter. Festivals bring the town to life with music, dance, and joyous celebrations. The vibrant culture, the friendly locals, and the majestic mountains create a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Traditional dances and music performances offer a glimpse into the rich heritage of the region. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly savor the moment. Whether you're sipping a cup of world-famous Darjeeling tea or simply soaking in the serene landscape, every moment here is a treasure. Join me as we journey to this captivating destination and uncover the magic that is Darjeeling. From its scenic train rides to its charming attractions, Darjeeling offers an experience that stays with you long after you've left its hills. Darjeeling sits proudly in the state of West Bengal, India. Nestled in the Lesser Himalayas, it is a town that exudes charm and beauty, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. It's perched at an elevation of 6,700 feet, overlooking the sweeping valleys below. The altitude not only offers breathtaking views, but also a unique climate that sets it apart from the rest of the region. The town's name comes from the Tibetan words Dorje, thunderbolt, and Ling, place, meaning the land of the thunderbolt. This name is a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage and its deep-rooted connections to Tibetan traditions. And like a thunderbolt, Darjeeling leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. The stunning landscapes, the vibrant culture, and the warm hospitality of the locals make it a destination that stays with you long after you've left. The air is noticeably cooler here, a welcome respite from the Indian plains. The misty mornings and crisp evenings create an atmosphere that is both refreshing and invigorating. The hills are a tapestry of green, painted with the vibrant hues of rhododendrons in bloom. These hills are also home to the world-famous Darjeeling tea gardens, where the finest teas are cultivated with great care and expertise. Monasteries stand majestically on hilltops, their prayer flags fluttering in the wind. These spiritual sanctuaries offer a glimpse into the town's serene and contemplative side, providing a space for reflection and peace. Darjeeling is a place of peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for the soul. Whether you're wandering through its lush gardens, taking in the panoramic views from its hilltops, or simply enjoying the serene landscapes, Darjeeling offers a sense of calm and rejuvenation that is hard to find elsewhere. Darjeeling is a melting pot of cultures, a vibrant blend of Nepali, Tibetan, and Indian traditions. Walking through its bustling streets, you'll hear a symphony of languages and encounter a kaleidoscope of colors. The warmth of the locals is infectious, their smiles as bright as the prayer flags adorning the streets. Local markets offer a treasure trove of handicrafts, from intricately woven carpets to beautifully crafted Tibetan artifacts. The aroma of spices fills the air, inviting you to sample the local delicacies. From steaming momos to hearty thuppa, Darjeeling's cuisine is a treat for the taste buds. No trip to Darjeeling is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring sunrise over Kanchenjunga. This majestic peak, the third highest in the world, stands tall and proud, a sentinel of the Himalayas. As dawn approaches, tourists gather in eager anticipation, their breaths visible in the crisp morning air. As the first rays of dawn paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, the mighty peak emerges from the darkness. The transformation is almost ethereal, as if the mountain itself is waking up from a deep slumber. The colors in the sky shift and change, creating a mesmerizing palette that captivates all who witness it. The sight is nothing short of magical, a breathtaking spectacle that will stay with you forever. Each moment feels like a painting coming to life, with the light dancing on the snow-capped peaks. The serenity and grandeur of the scene leave an indelible mark on your soul. Tiger Hill, at an altitude of 8,482 feet, offers the most spectacular views of this natural wonder. From this vantage point, you can see not just Kanchenjunga, but also other peaks of the Himalayan range. The panoramic view is a feast for the eyes, a testament to the raw beauty of nature. The air is crisp and cool, and the anticipation in the air is palpable. People huddle together, wrapped in warm clothing, their eyes fixed on the horizon. Conversations are hushed, as if everyone is collectively holding their breath, waiting for the moment when the sun will finally make its appearance. As the sun slowly ascends, casting a golden glow on the snow-capped peaks, a hush falls over the crowd. The golden light spreads, illuminating the landscape in a warm, ethereal glow. It's a moment of collective awe, where time seems to stand still, and all that exists is the beauty before you. It's a moment of pure magic, a reminder of the immense beauty of the natural world. The experience of watching the sunrise over Kanchenjunga is not just a visual treat, but a spiritual one. It connects you to something greater, a reminder of the wonders that our planet holds. This is a memory that will stay with you, a story to be told and retold, a moment of pure, unadulterated beauty. Section 5. The scent of tea in the air. The air in Darjeeling is infused with the delicate aroma of tea. Vast tea gardens carpet the hillsides, their emerald green leaves shimmering in the sunlight. Darjeeling tea is world-renowned for its exquisite flavor and muscatel aroma, a testament to the ideal growing conditions and the skilled hands that nurture it. A visit to a tea estate is an experience in itself. Watch as tea pluckers deftly select the finest leaves, their baskets brimming with the day's harvest. Learn about the intricate process of withering, rolling, oxidation, and drying that transforms the leaves into the aromatic beverage we know and love. Section 6. A walk through tea gardens. Take a leisurely stroll through the tea gardens, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and lose yourself in the tranquility of your surroundings. The rhythmic plucking of leaves creates a soothing melody, while the panoramic views of the valleys below take your breath away. The tea gardens are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a haven for biodiversity. Listen closely, and you might hear the chirping of exotic birds or catch a glimpse of colorful butterflies flitting amongst the tea bushes. It's a reminder that Darjeeling's beauty extends far beyond its iconic mountains. Section 7. The Heart of Darjeeling Town. The heart of Darjeeling Town is a vibrant mix of old and new. Colonial-era architecture stands proudly alongside bustling markets and modern cafes. The mall, a pedestrian-only promenade, is the perfect place to soak up the atmosphere. Browse through local shops selling handicrafts, Tibetan artifacts, and of course, the finest Darjeeling tea. Enjoy a cup of hot Darjeeling tea at a cozy cafe, watching the world go by. The pace of life in Darjeeling is leisurely, allowing you to truly relax and embrace the mountain spirit. Section 8. A ride through time. No trip to Darjeeling is complete without a ride on the iconic Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, affectionately known as the Toy Train. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has been chugging through the mountains since 1881, offering breathtaking views and a journey back in time. The toy train is not just a mode of transportation, it's an experience in itself. The journey is a visual treat, taking you through lush tea gardens, charming villages, and overarched bridges. The sound of the train's whistle echoing through the valleys is music to the ears, a reminder of a bygone era. Section 9. The toy train's endearing charm. The charm of the toy train lies in its leisurely pace. It chugs along at a sedate speed, allowing you to soak up the scenery and the charm of the journey. The carriages are quaint and cozy, adding to the nostalgic feel of the ride. As the train winds its way up the mountain, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the valleys below. The air is filled with the scent of pine and the sound of birdsong. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you've disembarked. Section 10. Moments to cherish. Darjeeling is a place where memories are made. Whether it's witnessing the sunrise over Kanchenjunga, sipping tea in a tea garden, or riding the toy train, every moment is a treasure to be cherished. The warmth of the locals, the beauty of the surroundings, and the peace that permeates the air create an unforgettable experience. As the sun sets over the Himalayas, casting a golden glow on the town, you'll find yourself reflecting on the day's adventures. The memories of Darjeeling, like the aroma of its tea, will linger long after you've left. Section 11. Until we meet again. Darjeeling is not just a destination, it's an emotion. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, calling you back to its misty mountains and charming embrace. The beauty of its landscapes, the warmth of its people, and the magic of its atmosphere create an experience that is both humbling and exhilarating. So, if you're looking for an escape from the ordinary, a journey that will nourish your soul and leave you with memories to last a lifetime, then pack your bags and head to Darjeeling. The Queen of the Hills awaits, ready to weave her magic on you. Until then, happy travels.